What is a bug? There are many kinds of bugs. Insects such as beetles, flies, butterflies, bees, and ants are all bugs. Bees have 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings. Bee. Wing. Wing. Head. Leg. There are more than 1,000,000 kinds of insects. They live almost everywhere on Earth. These flies can flap their wings and stay in the air a long time. They are called hoverflies. Hoverfly. Beetles. Some beetles cannot fly. They have hard wings that are joined together. These Hercules beetles have pincers at the front of their mouths. Hercules beetles. Pincer. Butterflies. Butterflies are beautiful flying insects. Baby butterflies are called caterpillars. A butterfly has 4 large wings. Butterfly. Wing. 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 Spiders. Spiders make a silky thread in their body. This is what their webs are made from. Insects get trapped in the spider's web and the spider eats them. Spider. Spider web. Silky thread. Body. Bees. Bees live in honeycomb made from waxy cells. This is where they look after their young and store honey. Bee. Honeycomb. Waxy cell. Food. Insects eat plants, seeds, fruit, small animals, and other insects. This praying mantis is eating a butterfly. Praying mantis. Butterfly. Flying. Most insects have 1 or 2 pairs of wings. They are good flyers. Ladybugs are small insects. Their wing covers are red with black spots. Ladybug. Wing. Wing cover. Swimming. Some insects can swim. They swim in puddles, pools, lakes, and rivers. Some insects swim upside down. They use their legs like oars. Backswimmer. Head. Leg. Body. Jumping. Some insects can jump. Grasshoppers jump away from their enemies. Grasshoppers have 6 legs with strong muscles. Grasshopper. Strong leg. Quiz. Can you match each bug with its name? Bee. Butterfly. Spider. Ladybug.